I heard you moved. Congratulations.
Yes, I bought a house downtown.
Oh, great. How is the new place?
It's great. It is much bigger than my last place.
Nice. Is it a new house?
No, it's an older home, but it's fairly new.
Does it have a yard?
It does. It is a bit smaller than I'd like, but it's big enough for my dog.
When will you retire?
I might retire next year.
Really? So soon? What will you do after you retire?
I will probably travel. I love traveling.
That sounds fun. Where will you go?
I'll probably go to Europe, but I may go to Asia.
Well, you will have lots of time. You can do both.
You're right. I might do both.
What about hobbies? I know you like to play golf.
I probably won't play golf that much. It's too expensive.
Who is this in the picture?
That is my younger sister.
Oh, wow. She is so cute.
Yes, she is. She looks much different now. That is 5 years ago.
Oh, how old is she now?
She is 20. She is much taller now, and her hair is shorter.
Yeah, it's amazing how much we change from our teens.
Yep, we all get older, don't we?
How is the weather in your area?
Not great. It snows a lot in winter, so it gets really cold. There is lots of ice on the streets, so it is hard to drive.
What about the spring?
The spring is not much better. It rains a lot, and it is really windy.
Well, what about summer and fall?
The fall is really pretty, actually. The weather is cool, and the trees change colors, so it is really beautiful.
How about summer?
Summer is not too bad, but it gets really hot, and we have lots of insects. It does not rain much, though, so summer is great for being outside.
The mall is so crowded today. I cannot find parking.
I know. It's full. There might be a sale at the department store.
Maybe. Or there might be a special event.
Perhaps. What could it be?
There might be a concert or festival.
That could be it. I didn't hear anything on the news, though.
Well, there might not be any parking for a while. Should we go home?
No, let's wait. A space might open up soon.
Look! Here comes someone. They might be leaving.
They may be. Let's see if they leave.
Where is Sue? She is not in class today?
She may have a game? She is on the basketball team.
No, that can't be it. The season is over. Maybe she is sick.
She might be sick. She looked tired yesterday.
That might be it. I'll call her and see if she's okay.
No, don't do that. She might be sleeping.
You're right. I will wait for her to contact us.
Who knows? She might come today. She may just be late.
Where are the kids?
No one is home yet. They may not come home for dinner.
How come? Where is Jason?
I think he's with his friends. They might be at the mall.
What about Melanie?
She's not home yet. She might still be at school.
Well, I'm hungry. Let's eat without them.
No, let's wait a little longer. They might be home soon.
Okay, but not too much longer. How is the new Thai restaurant?
It was good, but the prices were a little expensive.
How is the food? What did you have?
I had the Thai soup. It was really good, but it was a little spicy.
Did you need a reservation?
No, we went early, so the restaurant was not full.
How was the service?
It was really good. Our waiter was really nice. The service was excellent. So I gave him a big tip.